In this video, we will learn how to use watermark in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data and I want to print this data. When you're going to print some data, then if you want your company watermark, company's logo, then you can use it easily in Excel also. Okay, just select first your data, then click on the insert tab, then click on the text. You get here the header and footer option. Click on it. Cursor is blink here, where just in middle side cursor, and click on the picture option in header footer tab. You can see here when you click on the header footer, the automatically tab here inserted. Okay. Then click on the picture. Click on the from file from your computer. Click on the watermark, your image, your logos, and click on the insert. Now just these pictures you can paste, copy paste also, and the text folder is increase their size. Then press the control P for print. Okay, just press the control P. You can see here the logo, the watermark is print in your copy. Okay, when you print it, you can see the this watermark. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.